The muscadine grapes there growing. With some bananas. Big tree. Pineapples. Goji berry. Blackberries coming. Got kale. Three different types. Some tomatoes. Carrots. It's ginger and turmeric. A couple onions. Some small cucumbers. Some more tomatoes. Grape. Some mint. And there's another banana. Another banana. Beef steak. Tomatoes. And plenty of tomatoes. These are the grapes. They're pretty big. Cucumbers. Ponderosa lemons. It's an orange pineapple. It's, more lemons and orange cuttings. Some lettuce. Orange tree. No oranges. Another little banana pup that I just transplanted. And my Ponderosa lemon is pretty big. I got 3 lemons on there, small ones right now. But yeah, it's 2 years old. That's pretty big, 6 foot tall. That's a Mexican petunia, no flowers on it right now. That is purple passion flower. That's just some aloe, some agave cuttings, snake plant, more aloe. Another Ponderosa lemon, little guy. Another banana pup. And I got the ginger shampoo plant here. Elephant ears. Now the cactus garden. All the Peruvian apple cactus. Prickly pear. Agave. These are starting to get ready for their white flowers at night. And my crepe myrtle.